You need a good pair of winter boots when the bad weather comes and the cold comes, and they come in 3 colors. Yes, indeed. This is SILENTCARE men's warm snow boots. Let's get a nice close-up look what we get inside. They are nicely packaged men's winter snow boots, specially designed for the cold and humid outdoor conditions with waterproof protection. Let's open this up. They're stylish. They are not leather. They are like a fabric and suede on the front over here. A beautiful design look with the side zipper and the fur inside with the grip and an excellent sole design. So this way when you step on the ground or a metal grate, it'd be non-slip. Let's unzip it. Show you how this goes on. I'm a nice size foot, size 12, and water won't enter because they're supposed to be waterproof. This is excellent for 30 below Celsius degrees. So if you're looking to get something nice and warm before you put in your feet, pull out the inserts and make sure everything is nice and clean. The fur goes all the way into the tips of the toes and even on the sole. Now, there is a grip inside. If you grab it, it pulls out the sole, as you can see. How neat is that? So if you want to put your own inner soles in or clean, and even on the inside itself, which you can't see, has fur. In order to place back in the inner sole, just slide in and press in. That's all. So I am a large foot, as you can see. I am sliding in. I'm grabbing the back. And I am going to zip up by making sure the material's on the inside. And right away, I got not a wide foot, a comfortable foot, and they are comfortable. I'm going to put on the other boot, and I am going to go out for a nice walk. I'll let you know how these feel. Remember to take those inserts out. Everything's nice and clear. Unzip. Take the labels off, slide in, and off we go. Get a scissors or a pull strong. SILENTCARE. It tells you how to clean and take care of your boots. The boots, they're nice and warm. They're comfortable to walk in. They come in 3 different colors. Check online. I tucked in my pants sleeves, and they are comfortable. They got enough room indeed. They're not tight for me, and they come off very easy, and they will keep you nice and dry and nice and warm in those cold days. The only thing this may not do is when you got a deep snowstorm on any shoe you have. If you're looking for a set of boots that are dressy, casual, you name it, these boots may be right for you.